Now, to take a further look in terms of auditing, the auditing was conducted by KPMG, and fortunately for them, there was no contingencies or any red flags regarding their 2016 financial statement. As it states here, in their opinion, PepsiCo Inc. has maintained in all material respects effective internal control over financial reporting as of December 2016, and based on the criteria established, they don't have any um, negative statements to infer regarding the company's financial reporting. In conclusion, I will determine that PepsiCo is extremely productive. The company is highly effective in liquidating its assets. It's a great time to invest in their stock, as they have not only sustained um, distrib- to distribute dividends quarterly, but they have a steady dividend yield expected to rise to 3.7 by the end of this quarter. So not only has the company had an increase of almost 15% compared to the last quarter, uh, this yield is extremely beneficial to the investor because they will obviously gain a return from that. In addition, if I were a creditor in trying to provide additional capital through financing, I would be a little weary because of the way that they're operating. Um, it appears that they are utilizing their own capital. Well, they're trying to transition to use their own capital to finance their operations. Nevertheless, um, PepsiCo is certainly a good, stable company overall. And thank you for viewing. Please feel free to communicate with me to uh, ask any questions that you may have regarding this presentation, and I will certainly do my best to answer all questions. Thank you.